My name is Jonathan Ramotse. I'm the CEO of Platinum Northwest TV, a television project in the Northwest Province.
My name is Mphatayar. I am station manager at Platinum Northwest TV.
I'm A.B. Mufokeng and I work at Platinum Northwest TV as a facility manager.
Hi, my name is Babalole Chema. I work for Platinum Northwest TV. I am an office coordinator. I deal with governance, compliance, and just general office ins and outs.
Hi guys, my name is Ditlamelwana. I work for Platinum Northwest TV under operations.
My understanding of Ditlamelwana tsa Pula di baakangwa go sa le gale reminds me of a quote by Abraham Lincoln that says, if you give me 8 hours to chop down a tree, I will spend 6 hours sharpening the axe. And for me, what that means is that you spend more time in preparation than you do actually doing the job.
You prepare yourself for the endeavors. If you know there's an achievement you want to achieve, you need to prepare now and don't wait for it to come to you and then find you not prepared.
We don't want to surprise ourselves when ICASA says we've got a license. Hence we've said, let's start to prepare now, because we are sure that we believe that the big rain is coming. And when that rain comes, we must be ready to capture the water that comes with that. In this regard, referring to the broadcast license.
You need to prepare for what you want to achieve. And then make sure that you set up the project thing you want to achieve. Certain things then avoid the mistakes that you you learn from there and then to reach a goal reach.
In simple terms, to me, it just means, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. In life, everything is planned for, everything is prepared for. And most things, when you're ready for them, especially disaster, it really doesn't come. Or it comes and you will be ready for it.
Are we confident that the big rain will come? Yes. We are a group of optimistic people. A lot of work has been done long before I came here. So I was together with the team that I was working with when we were putting together that application license. It was to fix some of the things that happened previously. So we are optimistic that the big rain will come, we'll get the license. I always say to my friends who say, why leave the big lights and go to the Northwest to do this? I'm optimistic. There's talent here, there's a lot of things they don't for. They must be ready for that rain when it comes here.
Like anything in life, a company, when it's at grassroots level, there's challenges to it. When a company grows, it expands, there's changes in it, financial changes, any structural changes. I just think change is the most difficult thing for us as humans to accept and for us as humans to adapt to easily.
My approach will be a mathematical approach which talks of the formulas. The formulas are actually like your operation systems and the structures. So if it happens that you find yourself off the track, you go back to your drawing board and check what does the structure say and then try to follow the structure, because I would presume that if once the structure has been adopted or the operation system has been adopted, it means that's what we need to focus on and towards achieving the goal. So that's important for me. If I've done a sum and then the sum does not add up, I go back and check what are the steps that I missed and then refocus that, realign that towards the sum that I'm looking for. So it's very important to go back to the structure or the operating system to say, okay, let's realign, check how did we miss it, where did we miss, and then what was the deadlines and all those things, and put it together and come back to the track. I think it's important to actually understand the structure.
I would like to see environment it's team spirit, team spirit, and then re fast paced, like re on time, and then let's create environment you as a person, not as my person. I would like to keep on a environment. I create the environment is difficult. You won't survive on it. So when I create the environment everyone can survive more.
Beyond the potholes that we see in the province, this province is a beautiful province. There's beautiful stories that come from this province. There's success stories that we need to tell people about. We need to show people that there's so much positive reasons for them to come to the Northwest Province rather than the negative things. It's unfortunate that the negatives, they are always the ones that we highlight as a people, and we're not talking about the positives. We are here. That's the reason why we exist, to tell the positive story of the Northwest Province, and that is what we'll be doing right through once we get that license as the channel.
Platinum Northwest TV to me will look like a corporate institution, one of the first in the Northwest. I think Platinum Northwest TV will be maybe like the benchmark in Northwest of what media is, because it would be new to us, it would be different to us. I think Platinum Northwest TV will be a training ground for many. I think it will be a place where a lot of talent will be discovered. A lot of talent will be nurtured. A lot of people will be released into the industries, even international industries, coming from Platinum. I see it as a well-built institution that will really set the bar.
How can people of the Northwest Province become part of the Platinum Northwest TV? We are in the process of building. And Mozoha Pele Habua Arasidikwa Kimtwapedi Hasetata. So for us to be able to build something that will become a monument for years to come for the people of Northwest Province, we need to come together, contribute in this project. We have recently went out to say we need volunteers for our newsroom that we're building one brick at a time. For newsroom, we want to make sure that we build one of the strongest newsroom in the community media sector. We asking people to come, join us if you know you've got a talent, you've got knowledge, you want to be a journalist. Come, send us the CVs, Salona. And then programming, also you've got ideas, do that and things. Many people, many community broadcasters that exist, similar, then all of a sudden people, giddy celebrities are there. People realize the vision. Here there's a vision of something that needs to be achieved, and they came together, worked together to achieve where they are. The biggest stars today come from the community media sector. And if Northwest want to tell its story, remember I've said we cannot use the potholes as the sign here province. We need to use great talent that comes from the province. We are inviting those kind of people to be here. You will see our details are here at the end of this video where we're inviting people. If you've got ideas, you want to be a volunteer, Romela, from all the provinces, the 4 districts of the province and the 19 local municipalities in the province. We invite all of them from Madibe to Taung, from Moretele and other things. We're inviting all of them to become part of this. One thing for sure, when I leave Platinum Northwest TV, when time comes, everyone in the Northwest Province who've got interest in this must have played a role in building the TV station.